Hey yogis, welcome back to Shor Yoga. So today we're going to go over another arm balance, great arm balance that you can practice in maybe your intermediate or more advanced versions of your vinyasa that you can add in. So today we're going to go over Eka Pada Koundinyasana number 1. So it's a split leg arm balance and we'll start in our downward facing dog. So we'll meet there. All right, so from your downward facing dog, you're going to inhale to bring the right leg up and back. Good. Then point the toe, engage those bandhas. You're going to bring your right knee all the way into your right tricep. Now notice how I'm going to start to bend my elbows, and my left elbow here is going to be a shelf for my rib cage. I'm going to lean the weight forward, keeping that right knee resting on the tricep, and then see if you can start to pick up that back leg. Maybe you can extend both legs long, and then we'll simply come back into that three-legged dog. We'll do it again on the other side for reference. So, from your downward facing dog, inhale to take that left leg up and back. See if you can maintain the hips square by flexing the foot, rolling that left hip down, and then on an exhale, left knee comes onto that left tricep. Bend at the elbows, lean the weight forward. Maybe the back leg can pick up. Maybe you can extend that left leg, point the toe, and then we'll simply come back into that three-legged dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And remember, always warm up your wrists before you do any of these practices. Again, you want to warm up the hamstrings, you want to warm up your core. Any kind of Sun A variations, Sun B variations before you do these arm balances. And again, listen to your body. Namaste, yogis. Hey guys, if you like what you see, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and please leave me any feedback or requests in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on social media at shoryoga, SHORYOGA.